Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you my 93 Jeep Cherokee as a starting point of my Jeep Cherokee camper project. And actually, this project I thought about doing that before I started this Mada Tsukaeru channel, and that's why I decided to repair many things about the Jeep Cherokee, starting from 3-inch lift of the Jeep Cherokee, and also the window tinting and many repairs, including the AC and everything. So I'm gonna walk around the truck and show you the starting point of my camper project. I hope you enjoy it. So this is my 93 Jeep Cherokee. As you can see, the paint is actually it's coated with protection layer that is actually deteriorated a lot, and so I got the white-ish thing. In the future maybe I have to work on this, but this is just the appearance thing. So I will do that much later. And the first thing I did was this 3-inch lift. So I did it by myself. I lifted up the car and struggled with this the spring and the shock absorbers. Also rear, same thing, lifted by 3 inches. And next thing I did was the window tinting. This was my first experience of doing the window tint, so the finishing was not really great, but it works okay. And if I go inside, so I have repaired many things. I did the turn signal replacement, turn signal switch. So the turn signal actually didn't return. Also, I replaced the wiper switch. So to do so, I removed the steering column. If I have a chance, I will make another video to show you my trick to remove the steering column in the future. And also the blower. Blower only ran at high position, so that's actually because of the heater switch. So I replaced the heater switch that's on the other side of the compartment. So behind here you have the heater resistor, and I replaced that. And also I replaced the blower that's behind here inside the hood. And then I also replaced the AC. As you might know, they upgraded the AC compressor and the condensers and system into the R134A gas. So now AC works fine. And also I replaced that ceiling. I'm gonna go behind actually. Okay, let's open the hatch. And I actually replaced the ceiling, and previously that sheet was actually detached from the ceiling, and it's hanging from the top, and it's really bad looking. Also your head always touched that sheet, and I replaced that. And those are actually before I started this YouTube video. So unfortunately how I did actually was not outlined in the video. And then I removed the rear seat, as you can see, and it's not that difficult to remove it actually. The rear seat, you have a couple bolts and to loosen it, and easy to remove. Okay, this is from the back door. But the hardest one was to remove the seat belt, and these guys are still staying here, but the main part of the seat belt was removed. I removed this part, and also this. I removed the panel on both sides, actually the entire panel, and then access here to remove the seat belt on both sides, and also to remove this part, you have to have the star pattern screws, and also this guy go through to the other side of the body, so it's really rusted. It's kind of difficult, but it's not impossible. And you remove this guy. This is for the holding the seat, and then I also removed the spare tire holder. And my plan is to have a roof carrier to hold the spare tire, because this truck doesn't have enough space. Space is really limited. So if I have the spare tire inside, we can really have other things inside. And this panel is from this rear hatch. So my plan is to have the platform to the height of this tire house, so that onto the platform I will make some kind of bed kind of thing. So that's the sleeping part, and then underneath the platform they're gonna be a storage. That is the rough plan. And when I do that, and also another thing is most of the truck actually you cannot really open the hatch from inside. You have to go around it. So I didn't really like it. That's why I took off this panel, and also I'm gonna make some mechanism so that I can actually open the hatch from inside, and also lock and unlock from inside, and that's actually the safer when we go camping. And that's why I took this one, and that is the next thing I'm gonna work, and I'm gonna actually outline how I do it on this YouTube video. I'm really excited about this camper project, and I don't know how long it will take, but I hope you also enjoy how the progress will go. And if you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.